Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet baby shoes designs model. Let's start the video. Crochet baby shoes are small handcrafted footwear made using crochet techniques, typically for infants or toddlers. They are made with yarn and a crocheter and can come in various styles like booties, sandals, or sneakers. These little shoes are often soft, warm, and flexible, making them comfortable for a baby's delicate feet. People present baby shoes as thoughtful gifts for baby showers, birthdays, or as part of a handmade baby outfit. They can be simple or elaborately decorated with patterns, bows, or animal shapes. Here are some helpful tips for crocheting baby shoes. First, choose the right yarn. Soft and gentle is baby-friendly yarn, usually a soft cotton or baby acrylic blend. Washable. Babies are messy, so pick yarn that is machine washable. Number 2. Use the right hook size. Check the yarn label for recommended hook size, but be ready to adjust. A tighter stitch will help shoes hold their shape better. Number 3. Start with a simple pattern. Begin with basic booties before trying complex designs. Free beginners patterns are widely available online. Learn to crochet in the round. Most baby shoes start with an oval sole. Work in the round. Master this early one. Keep track of your stitch count. Use a stitch marker to keep track of rounds and stitches. Very helpful when shaping the toe or heel. Make them the right size. Babies grow fast. Check size charts by age or foot length to ensure a good fit. Add straps or ties. Babies sneak a lot. Adding a strap, tie, or button helps keep the shoes fun. Practice makes perfect. Your first pair might not be perfect, but each one gets easier and closer. Pay attention to cuts. If your stitches are too loose or too tight, the shoes might not fit. Make a quick cut if your pattern calls for it. Reinforce the sole. For sturdier baby shoes, especially for crawlers or early walkers, you can crochet with 2 strands of yarn for the sole. Add a felt or non-slip fabric lining to the bottom. Use puff paint or silicone dots to make them slip resistant. Use invisible joints when finishing a round. Join invisible joint to seamless transition to make the shoe look cleaner and more professional. Try color changes, add stripes, soles in a different color, or cute color block styles. Make sure to carry the yarn neatly or weave in ends properly for a tidy finish. Add embellishments thoughtfully, bows, flowers, or buttons. Look attractive, but make sure they are securely sewn so they are not tucking hazard. Embroider small details instead of adjusting hot pieces for newborns. Lock your shoes if the shape looks rough. Slightly blocking the finished shoes, shaping and trying them can help them look neater. Here's matching. Count your stitches and rows carefully on the second shoes, or write notes as you go to ensure both shoes are added seam. Store and keep with care. Wrap them in tissue or place them in a little box for gifting. It makes the handmade love feel extra special. Use stitch markers liberally. Place stitch markers not just at the beginning of rounds but also at important shaping points like in creases or decreases. Customize for seasons. Summer. Use lighter cotton yarn, open choke or sandal style patterns. Winter. Use thicker yarn or add a velvet lining for warmth. Make reversible or foldable designs. Tie patterns with cuff tops that can fold up or down. Cute and practical. Use safety eyes carefully or not at all. If you are making animal themed shows like bunny or bear face, safety eyes are cute but only for older babies. For newborns, embroider features instead. Create matching sets. Make a full set with matching hats, mittens, and bottles. A perfect gift bundle. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!